Are you ready to explore the amazing realities created by AI and VR? Prepare to be awed as we show you how developers and designers are pushing the boundaries of interactive media with unprecedented user experiences. With AI-powered virtual reality, users can be immersed in computer-generated environments that are more realistic than ever before. Plus, the possibilities go beyond video games, enabling businesses to use this technology for trading, education, interior design, and more. So how far can we go with these two technologies combined? Stick around to find out. Subscribe to NXT Gen and stay tuned to find out how far AI and VR can take us. Unlock the possibilities of interactive media and join us on this journey of exploration. We'll see you soon. Virtual reality technology has been gaining popularity in recent years for entertainment, gaming, and training. It provides an immersive experience allowing users to interact with the virtual world just like they would in the real world. It can revolutionize how we learn and work by creating new ways to engage with digital content through intuitive interfaces like natural language processing or gesture recognition systems. Similarly, artificial intelligence is another type of technology that enables machines to observe their environment and respond autonomously based on their observations. This helps them understand the internal state better so they can perform complex tasks more effectively, making lives easier for humans who rely on them for certain tasks. AI comes in various forms, each successfully mimicking the human mind, ranging from basic machine learning algorithms to general-purpose robots performing remarkable feats. So what happens when we merge these two powerful technologies, virtual reality and AI, into one entity? VR and AI are two technologies that when combined create some truly amazing experiences. With VR, a user can immerse themselves in realistic computer-generated environments that have been enhanced by artificial intelligence or AI. For example, virtual objects created using deep learning algorithms can recognize inputs from real-world items like motions or sounds and respond accordingly. This allows for a level of interactivity between digital content and users that is unprecedented compared to current interactive media tools like video games. By combining both AI and VR, we can create revolutionary opportunities. So how can these be used to design groundbreaking new products or services? What impact will these have on future businesses seeking innovative solutions? How do AI and VR work together to create revolutionary experiences? Have you ever wondered what could be possible if you combine AI, VR, and deep learning algorithms? With these technologies, you can explore virtual environments with textures and characters that look and act like they're real. Autonomous machines powered through machine learning algorithms and intelligent agents can respond to you through natural language processing or gesture detection systems created with AI techniques like neural networks, making it all possible. Plus, AI-powered virtual reality experiences go beyond just games. They can be used for training simulations, educational opportunities, and interior design consultations. So what kind of innovative uses could we see for this combination of technologies? Leave a comment below with your answer. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience a totally immersive virtual reality? With AI-powered VR content, you can. Developers and designers are creating incredibly realistic environments with photorealistic 3D models that look like real places or objects, and interactive characters powered by deep learning algorithms. This technology has the potential to give us experiences we couldn't even imagine before. You can also have natural language conversations with digital assistants in simulated situations and make mistakes without any danger of physical harm. Not only is this technology great for training simulations and practice sessions, it can benefit businesses seeking innovative solutions. For example, virtual home tours can be used for interior design consultations, and sophisticated VR games can be tailored to specific user preferences. So if you had access to cutting-edge technology right now, what would you do? AI-powered VR content can open up a world of possibilities and provide an avenue for experimenting with virtual reality. Developing these experiences requires accessible tools, powerful computing, and accurate data to make sure the experience meets user expectations. Fortunately, AI can help reduce production times by automating certain aspects while increasing realism. Plus, personalization opportunities allow creators to tailor 3D environments to an individual preference based on analyzing past behavior from users' interactions in digital worlds, and even physical places like theme parks. This advanced technology not only shows us what immersive entertainment we can expect, but also how it can be used to create a low-cost simulator for training. This makes it versatile enough for medical professionals to practice life-saving situations through simulations, military personnel to rehearse stressful tasks before engaging in combat scenarios, and attractions both indoors and outdoors to offer unique, memorable atmospheres. But with its unlimited potential applications, is there any limit to AI-powered VR content? Having the right tools and AI is essential for creating successful VR experiences. Creative software can be used to bring 3D designs to life, while programming platforms are necessary for creating algorithms that make interactive objects behave realistically, based on user input from their environment. Developers also use machine learning techniques like deep reinforcement learning (RL), so autonomous robots or virtual agents can lead certain tasks by trial and error interactions with their surroundings, instead of having to be programmed step by step like conventional coding requires. Some popular examples of AI-powered VR content include job training simulations, which teach personnel how to respond correctly in critical situations without any risk, interior design consultations where customers get an immersive experience before buying furniture or appliances, medical simulations designed by doctors who practice different procedures on digital patient models, and multiplayer augmented reality tailored to users' preferences with customizable characters, representing them against artificial enemies that become increasingly challenging during gameplay due to sheer volume of play data available now more than ever. The possibilities seem endless, but what challenges will we face when trying to integrate this new type of technology into everyday life? Leave a comment with your thoughts. AI-powered VR content has the potential to offer truly unique user experiences. These programs are designed for both entertainment and educational purposes, providing interactive virtual worlds that can respond to users' emotions through features like motion detection or speech recognition. Some developers even use deep learning techniques as part of their AI algorithms to create behaviors modeled on how humans would interact with a similar environment. The rise of these immersive technologies means there's a lot of possibilities when it comes to marketing strategy, especially since this technology is so cutting edge. For example, those selling an anticipated title could use short demos featuring realistic characters powered by an AI engine, or host a tournament showcasing extremely difficult enemies created by a clever programming logic, driven by machine learning algorithms. It's important to find ways to make your product stand out from competitors in order to make sure your project succeeds. Plus, creating accompanying websites which feature 3D walkthroughs and simulations powered by artificial intelligence can give players and users a taste of the product before they purchase it, perfect for generating buzz around pre-orders, releases, and more. So what should businesses be understanding about using AI-powered virtual reality in their marketing strategy? AI-powered VR technology has huge potential when it comes to marketing. It allows businesses to show off their products using immersive and engaging content, and also gives them the chance to do targeted advertising on social media like Facebook and Instagram. You can even make the experience even better by teaming up with other industry influencers or hosting launch events to get people excited about your product before it's released. Content like blog posts, videos, and articles can help educate customers about the features and benefits of your product, as well as the latest technological support options they may offer with installations. The range of AI-powered VR experiences is growing all the time, both artistically and technically, giving customers unprecedented access to virtual worlds that are more realistic than ever before. So what's next in AI-powered virtual reality? AI and VR environments have created amazing opportunities for a variety of industries, from entertainment to healthcare. We've already seen how deep learning algorithms from autonomous machines enabled by machine learning have expanded the possibilities for immersive experiences that look like real-world objects or landscapes, thanks to 3D design software. Going further, AI-powered personalization options will allow users to have custom interactions within realistic virtual environments, and tailor gaming experiences made easier through sophisticated programming platforms that are powered by data analysis. All of this creates an incredibly vivid user-centered reality that we have yet to fully explore. But what kind of innovations can come from combining these technologies? And more importantly, how far are we willing to go? AI and VR technology are merging to create amazing opportunities for a variety of industries. With AI-powered VR content, users can explore photorealistic 3D environments with interactive characters and objects which respond to their inputs. This technology is great for simulations, interior design consultations, and creating tailored gaming experiences. Businesses can use AI-powered VR content to market their products, like providing immersive demos, hosting tournaments, and more, educating customers through blog posts and videos. As the technology advances, it will continue to open up new possibilities for creating revolutionary experiences. Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence and virtual reality could be used for when crafting immersive and interactive worlds? Well, the future is already here, and ChatGPT is leading the way. In our next video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can revolutionize the metaverse, and what that could mean for the way that we interact with technology. Don't miss out. Watch our next video now to see how ChatGPT is shaping the future.